Today I will show you how I use my spreadsheet to find profitable products on Amazon, because I believe that if you combine a tool like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 together with Excel, it becomes very powerful. And I want to keep things nice and basic. So first I'm going to show you what I'm looking for when I'm doing my product research. In short, we're looking for three main criteria. First of all, the product needs to have a healthy profit margin. It also needs to be high in demand, but still has low competition. So what I've done, I've put all of these things in a spreadsheet that we can fill in ourselves, and we do this with the help of a product research tool. Now the main ones are Jungle Scout and Helium 10. I personally use Jungle Scout, but it doesn't really matter which one you use. Both of them are fine. I have discount links for both of them below. So this is Jungle Scout. Now what they've done, they've gathered a huge database with millions of Amazon products that we can now search through with our own filters. So instead of manually scrolling through Amazon and looking for those high demand, low competition products, we can just set a couple of filters and the database will present these products for us. I'm just quickly going to show you the filters that I like to use. I like to set the minimum sales price to $20, the minimum net to $10, the minimum revenue to 5K per month, the max reviews to 100, and the listing quality score to max of 6. And now that we've set up our filters, we can select which categories we want to search. Just for this example, I'm just going to search the home and kitchen category. Okay, and after we click search, we will see that just in this one category, the database have gathered 10,000 products that fit our criteria. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to filter through all of these products, and I'll stop when I see something that's interesting to me. Okay, so I've been browsing for about 5 minutes and found two pretty promising products. The first one is an espresso knockbox and tamping station, and the second one is very simply a fake palm tree. Now the fake palm tree makes around 6K in revenue each month with only 8 reviews. That's extremely low. And the espresso station makes around 12K each month with only 34 reviews. Okay, so here we have the top sellers for the artificial palm trees. And let's pull up Jungle Scout on this page. Now here you can see a lot of information, and just to make everything really clear, we're gonna use our own spreadsheet. And let's get started with something really easy. Let's just input like the average price for this product. Okay, so what's the average price? Well, there's actually two outliers that sell their product for above $100. But in general, I'd say this guy that is selling his product for $43 is right in the middle. We can also see right away that if we sell our product for $43, we will have to pay $19 in Amazon fees. So we can input this as well. Okay, let's input a manufacturing cost now. For this we need to pull up Alibaba. I have found a supplier that's selling these fake palm trees for around $7 to $8. And of course this price will go down if you're able to afford larger orders. Now for the shipping cost, I can already see that this is gonna cost us a lot, since we're pretty much gonna have to ship a tree. I've actually shipped similar size products, so I can kind of make a rough estimation that it will cost us about $7 as well. Now if you're a complete beginner and if you've never shipped a product, you can just request a quote from a freight forwarder like Freightos, and they will give you a more exact estimate for this. Okay, let's now take a look at our competition. We can see that there's one main seller who's pulling in a huge amount of sales and also has a lot of reviews. But besides that, there's pretty much only new sellers. So let's count how many sellers will have less than 50 reviews. Okay, that's around 8, so that's actually very low. So it looks like we can easily compete in this niche. And now it's time to look at the product itself. Can we actually improve the product? Well, it doesn't really look like it. It's a very generic fake tree, not much to change about it, so that's gonna be a no. Okay, let's check out the listing quality of our competitors. Can we maybe create a better listing than them? Well, it looks like they've done a fine job. Some nice pictures, some infographics. This guy even has a video. Does he also have A+ content? Yes, looks like it. Okay, that's gonna be a no as well on the question if we can create a better listing. Okay, let's now do the fun part, the demand. How much revenue are these sellers making? And then we'll see that most of these sellers are making between 5 and 13K. So let's say that 7K is the average revenue in this niche. Okay, this looks like a really cool product. Like a wooden storage box for your espresso tools. So let's check out the first page for this product. And then we're pretty much gonna repeat the same steps, but then for this product. So let's start with the sales price. So it looks like $100 is pretty much the average price here. And we can also see that if we sell for this price, that we will have to pay $21 in FBA fees. Okay, let's pull up Alibaba and check out our manufacturing cost. So there's a lot of sellers who can sell this product, and I'd say the price is about $28. This product is actually a lot smaller than our fake tree. I'd say the shipping cost will be around $3. And that will actually give us $46 in profit. That's actually insane. Like, I don't even know why I'm sharing this product. Like, we can even undercut our competition by selling our product for $80 and still make $30 in profit. That's so insane. Wow. Okay, speaking about our competition, let's check out how they're doing and how many reviews they have. Looks like there are about 10 sellers who have less than 50 reviews, so that's actually very good news for us. This means we can easily compete with them. Now, can we improve on the product? I think we actually can. If we could just go back to Alibaba, I can already see some variations on here that I've not seen on Amazon yet. So yeah, I think we can definitely customize the product and put something unique on the market. Can we also create a better listing than some of our competitors? I'm just gonna go through this real quick, but it doesn't really look like it. It looks like they've done a very decent job at creating their listings. So that's gonna be a no. Okay, let's check out the most important part, and that's the demand. So here we want to look in the monthly revenue column. Jungle Scout calculates that the average revenue is about 15K per month. And I'd say that's about right. So let's input that. Okay, let's now put both of our products next to each other and compare them. And we can clearly see that the espresso station is the winner here. It has an absolutely insane profit margin, but also double the demand, and we can even customize the product. Now, I'm not saying you should start selling these products. I just want to teach you how I find these types of products and the steps I take for my product research. Like, there's tens of thousands of results just in this one category. And I've spent about 5 minutes before I found these two products. So if you spend like a couple of days doing this, I'm sure you're gonna find way better products. And since you made it this far in the video, I'm also sure that you're gonna like my next video about product research as well. Check it out over here, and I'll see you on the next one.